Not gonna lie, this is actually a pretty good idea, but her grandpa has hearing problems, so this whole conversation is kind of hilarious.
Papa!
Sorry, my bad.
Yeah,
It's Lily!
I'm okay. Yeah, good. I'm good. Thank you.
Okay. I
love you. Okay, bye-bye.
Papa!
What?
Hold on. What are you doing?
I'm okay.
Okay.
I'm ready to go to bed. Don't bother me.
Okay. Good night.
Okay, love you.
Love you too. Bye.